This is question number 80 from book number 1 based on the 2020 NEC, and this is electricaltime.com. Generally speaking, branch circuit conductors that are within blank inches of a ballast, LED driver, transformer, or power supply must have insulation rated conductors not less than 90 degrees C. The first answer is A, 1 inch, B, 2 inches, C, 3 inches, or D, 4 inches. Just want to take 30 seconds to let you know what we do here at electricaltime.com. We do online electrical classes from the comfort of your home. And then we also have this free service. So if you click on the subscribe for free NEC questions, Monday through Friday, you'll get an NEC code question and an answer sent to your email. All right, so back to our video. And the answer is going to be C, and that's going to be 3 inches. All right, so now we're going to look and ask, what article are we talking about here? And nothing really jumps out at me, so I'm going to look at the question. And I see the word ballast. Now I'm thinking luminaires, and that's going to be Article 410. I'm looking at LED driver, and again, I'm thinking about luminaires, and that's going to be Article 410. I see transformer, and that's not really telling me too much at this point. I mean, could this be the article for transformers? And that would be Article 450. Okay, so transformers, Article 450. And then I see power supplies, and that's not really telling me anything there. So I see ballast, and that's going to be Article 410 for luminaires. I see LED driver, and that's going to be Article 410 for luminaires. And then I see transformers, and transformers are going to be Article 450. So I'm going to say that this is going to be Article 410 for luminaires. And let's see what happens. All right, so we're in our textbook, and it is going to be Article 410 for luminaires, lamp holders, and lamps. And that's within Chapter 4, Equipment for General Use. And when we go to the article, we look at the parts, and then we see Part 6, and that's called Wiring of Luminaires. And then we find 410.68, feeder and branch circuit conductors and ballasts. So this is a common sense rule where you must be aware of the insulation rating of the conductors that you are using in the proximity of 3 inches or less from a ballast, LED driver, power supply, or transformer of a luminaire. Let's say, for example, that you are replacing a fluorescent light fixture and the existing conductors providing power to the old fluorescent light fixture have conductors of insulation ratings of TW or RHW, which have insulation ratings of 60 degrees C and 75 degrees C, respectively. If this were the case, those conductors would not be permitted to be within 3 inches from the ballast of that fluorescent light fixture because of the heat that could be generated by the ballast, which could damage the insulation of those conductors. And again, the answer to this question is going to be C. That's going to be 3 inches. And this is code reference 410.68.